there was an inadequate supply of material, or at least inadequate competition for a drug called lomustine. And the pricing was impacting patients who were, in some cases, forced out of the medication they needed. These are people who are in need, and for them to essentially be priced out of their medication was just something that I felt compelled to go after. I read the article over the weekend. I came in Monday morning and told Zinnia, we've got to do this. We've got to make this compound by continuous synthesis. The advantages that provides are better mixing, smaller footprint that allows for not only the business to save on capital costs, but also have a safer operation because it's the actual reaction is occurring in a much more restricted volume. There are often sensors that are arrayed along the reactor path. That information then is very useful in determining whether the product is of sufficient purity to release into the marketplace. The FDA wants it. The industry has a number of good business driver reasons to move in that direction, and so as an educator, it's important that we prepare our students for the future.